Good mistakes to avoid. Number one, it's question tag. As you can see, question tags are short questions come after a statement. When the statement is positive, question tag must be negative. When the statement is negative, the question tag must be positive. Are we applying this rule? Yes. Positive, negative. So, where's the problem? Read the sentence. I'm a bit late. Am I not? Or I'm a bit late. I'm not I. It's wrong. Guess why? The rule says, or this is not common. It's not common in English to use am I not. Okay? So it is not common in English. So what's the common one? The common one is I'm a bit late, aren't I? Sounds weird, right? How's that possible? Are is with plural. You, we, they. So why are we using it with I? That's it. This is the common one. The difference is this is the common one. The previous one is not common in English language. This is the reason why this question tag is wrong. Move on to the second one. Again, we are with good mistakes to avoid. Can Mr. Johnson be soon given a new car? Look at it. Sounds great. It sounds correct. However, I'm so sorry to tell you that this is wrong. Why? The reason is the word order. Soon is malplaced. It's not in the right place. Adverbs of frequency, they come between the auxiliary verb or modal verb plus this adverb of frequency plus the main verb. So here is the modal verb and here is the main verb. So soon must be in between. And since we have a question, the order changes as well. So how to correct this sentence? The correction is here. Can Mr. Johnson soon be given a new car? Can Mr. Johnson soon be given a new car? Or there is another possibility. We put soon at the end of the sentence. So we say, can Mr. Johnson be given a new car soon? So both questions are correct. You may choose either one. However, this one is more common. It means widely used. All right? So compare between the wrong one and the correct one. And the last sentence for today, good mistakes to avoid, is our boss is ill, so Jack is currently filling for him in. This is wrong. Why? The word order. The problem is here. It's always filling in for someone. Filling in for someone. Respect this order. So, how to correct this sentence? The correction, I have it here. Our boss is ill, so Jack is currently filling in for him. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our boss is ill, so Jack is currently filling in for him. Check the answers. Correct your sentences right now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, kindly leave them in the comment section and we will get back to you as soon as we read them. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Ing Vibes. Bye-bye.